Welcome on this channel Learn English with Disha. After a lot of requests, finally I have selected this topic for you, parts of speech. So let's start it.
So, what is part of a speech? So, part of a speech is a term basically which used in a traditional grammar. It explains how the words are used in a sentences. Proceeding to our next point, how many types of part of speech? Basically, there are many types of part of speech, but these 8 part of speech are very common among them. Let us discuss about this 8 part of speech. First one is noun. It tells us about name of anything such as person, animal, place, or ideas or events are also included in this. For example, dogs can be extremely cute. And second example is it is my birthday. So in first sentence we can see that dog is a name of an animal, and in second sentence we can see that birthday is an event which are described in this second example. So let us discuss about second part of a speech, which is pronoun. And pronoun is the part of a speech which function as a replacement for a noun. Basically it's replace noun by the pronoun, like the names are replaced by he, she. Such other pronouns like we, they, ours, etc. are included in this. For example, in first sentence, the largest slice is my. So here the name is replaced by mine, and in second sentence is we are number 1. So we is pronoun which is used at the place of noun. Third one is adjective. Adjective is used to describe the noun and pronoun. It describes its quality, size or numbers, such as, let us see examples to clarify this. For example, I have 2 hamsters. Hamster is a noun and the number 2 shows the number of noun, that hamsters are 2 in numbers. And fourth one is verb. It is very important part of speech. Without verb the sentence would not exist, because verb shows the state of being the sentence are. So for example, they are always prepared in emergencies. The verb are refers to the state of being of the pronoun, and they, which is the subject in the sentence. Verb can be used in the form of am, is, was, are, and etc.
Fifth one is adverb. So adverbs are also used to describe words, but the difference is that adverbs describe adjectives, verbs, or another adverbs in the sentences. For example, she came yesterday. In this, came is used to describe the sentence adverb that when she came. Sixth one is preposition. Preposition is a part of speech basically which refers to the location, or it tells us location in time. For example, some prepositions are above, below, throughout, outside, before, near, and since. These are the some prepositions used to tell the location. For example, during the game, the audience never stopped cheering for their team. Here, during the game tell us when the audience cheered. It's tell location in time of the situations. Seventh one is conjunction. Conjunction is that part of speech which joins two words, or it's in other simple sentence we can say that it makes the comparison of sentences easy. For example, and, yet, but, for, nor, or, and so. These are the some conjunction used in the sentences. For example, this cup of tea is delicious and very soothing. In this, and is used as a conjunction to join the both the words. So last 8 one is interjection. Interjection part of speech refers to words that express emotions in the sentences. It's convey the strong feelings, and it is used with the exclamation points in the sentences. For example, hooray, we won. In this first sentence, hooray shows the excitement or happiness, and in second one, Hey, I said enough. In this sentence, hey shows the angriness. If you think my videos are helpful for you, so please like this video and do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.